Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll cover advanced AI operations, including knowledge curation, AI-assisted blasting, and troubleshooting. Start from your resolved conversations. These contain real examples of questions customers have already asked. With an AI coding agent, these resolved conversations can be reviewed to identify common patterns and prepare suggested FAQs. The result is an FAQ draft based on the questions customers commonly ask. But generated content should not be treated as published knowledge immediately. Review each FAQ for accuracy, clarity, and relevance. Edit anything that is unclear or outdated, then approve only the information you want the AI to use. Back in Mampu AI, approved information can be maintained in your business knowledge. If something changes, update or remove the knowledge so the AI does not rely on outdated information. Once the approved FAQs are part of your business knowledge, next step is to test how the AI uses them. Use a realistic customer question rather than assuming the knowledge will work correctly. Open the playground and enter a customer question. Now review the response and confirm that the information is accurate and relevant. If the answer needs improvement, return to the knowledge, make the necessary changes, and test again. Next, we'll look at preparing a WhatsApp blasting draft with AI. Start from the blasting dashboard. Enter the blasting title and select the WhatsApp inbox you want to use. WhatsApp blasting requires an eligible approved template. Select the audience and scheduled time. Before preparing the blasting, the AI coding agent can first check the intended audience and preview a sample. Once the audience is confirmed, the AI can prepare the title, message, inbox, and audience as a draft. This is still only a draft and should not be sent automatically. Back in Mampu AI, verify that the correct audience is selected. You can also review the intended schedule before the blasting is created. Before sending, the user should review the message, inbox, audience, template, and schedule. The final send decision remains with the user. Finally, let's look at how to troubleshoot common AI agent issues. When an AI agent cannot complete a task, start by checking its access key, permissions, and recent calls. If you see a missing permission issue, confirm that the access key includes the permission required for that task. Review the assigned scope and only enable the access that is required. For an unauthorized response, verify the access key, account ID, key expiry, and current authorization. You can find your account ID from the account settings. If the quota has been exceeded, check the agent's current usage and calls. The calls column can help you review agent activity. If an action is unsupported, use a supported workflow or complete the action manually. For WhatsApp-related problems, first confirm that the correct inbox and channel are configured. Next, check the WhatsApp template status. In this demo, the appointment template is still pending. If a WhatsApp template action fails, check API eligibility, administrator permission, and meta template approval. This process helps identify whether the issue is permissions, usage, authorization, unsupported actions, or the channel. That completes the Advanced AI Operations tutorial. Thanks for watching.